Around the world, artificial intelligence is disrupting institutions. In Kenya, it is strengthening them. A generation raised on mobile technology is now building civic systems powered by artificial intelligence for structured governance. Kenya's Gen Z is digital by default, but civic by design. In labs, hackathons, and startup hubs, young analysts and engineers are turning AI into public infrastructure. Budget dashboards now track allocations by department, compare spending to plan, flag irregularities in real time. Public finance becomes searchable, measurable, and accountable. In public service, AI reduces friction. Digital ticketing systems assign cases. Service-level agreements track response times. APIs securely connect citizens and agencies. Queues shrink. Communication improves. During elections, visibility defines trust. Live result streams. Turnout maps by constituencies. Verified incident logs archived transparently. AI does not decide outcomes. It strengthens credibility. Open data sets now feed public dashboards tracking coverage, outcomes, and costs. Citizens move from passive observer to informed participants. With audit trails, open APIs, and measurable standards, trust grows between people and institutions. Not noise, not outrage, simply structure. Kenya is not alone. A new model of governance is emerging across Africa, measurable, transparent, and inclusive. Kenya is demonstrating that ethical AI can strengthen institutions, not replace them. In the global conversation on artificial intelligence and governance, Kenya is not catching up. It is leading Africa's civic education revolution.